HomeCrate Bathroom Accessories Corner Tray Open Wire by HomeCrate is one of the best sellers among baby absorption sleeves products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. A fashionable yet practical storage solution for your bathroom accessories. The deluxe bathtub corner tray with the extra soap dish provides additional storage without wasting any of your valuable bathtub space. Add instant storage and style to your bathtub with this accessories tray. The special accessories tray gives your bathtub a modern, organized look and provides storage room for your bath and shower accessories. The self-draining, open-wire design shelf, that ensures easy drainage, helps your soap last longer and allows your accessories to dry. Heavy-duty design that will last for years, and is easy to wipe clean. Organizes all of your bath essentials. Accommodates a variety of bathroom accessories, shampoos, conditioners, shower puffs, washcloths, razors and more. And has the removable soap dish for your soap bars. The bathtub tray lays securely and firm with the high-quality suction cup. This suction technology allows a powerful long-lasting adhesion to most surfaces for the maximum stability. Food 5643,165 Even Clean Wrapping Boxed Bright USB and Slim Pure Low Bethany Vinyl Foot Solar 0-350 Mug Blinking Knoll Nordic Stencil.